In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Excel for free on your Mac. So the equivalent to your Excel for Mac, I believe, is your Numbers app, and it's okay, it works, but if you're someone that wants to use Excel, it's very easy to do even though you're on a Mac. So what you want to do is go and choose your web browser. I'm just going to go ahead and choose Google Chrome, and then go ahead in the search bar, type in Microsoft 365. As you see, I have it here. And you're going to want to go ahead and go on that website. So from this point, you have so many options to do. Once you log into your account, make an account. It's totally free. So don't worry about having to pay any kind of subscription. As you see here, it says free. It's totally free. So go ahead and log into that. So once you're here, you have some apps here that you can choose from. So we're going to go ahead and choose Excel. And then from here, we can just choose a blank workbook. And this is going to give you full access to Excel, to an Excel spreadsheet. And you can go ahead and do your calculations, your formulas, input anything that you want here. I'm just going to type in hello there, no big deal. And I don't. So you can have all of your functions. Everything that Excel offers, you can have here. It's very easy to use. It's very simple to use, especially if you're someone that doesn't want to change over to the numbers version or the Mac version of Excel. So after you're done with your stuff, you can go ahead and hit File here. You can go ahead and download a copy. You can export your file to certain formats. So that is your way to have Excel for free on Mac and still be able to use a program that you're comfortable with. So I hope you guys found this useful and helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.